Hai, Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now untuk video part 2 for the chapter 11, kita akan continue dengan the cylinder cycle timing system. Okay, actually this one dia punya operations dia sama dengan yang indirect cylinder and indirect circuit. Okay, so first I will show the component. So this is the source, SRL unit. Okay, so our other V1 adalah the needle valve, or we call it the throttle valve. And then this one 5-2 parallel operated directional control valve. This one adalah the 3-2. Okay, there are 3 port and then 2 positions. Push button, spring offset DCV, double acting cylinder. And then this one adalah the limit switch. Okay, limit switch, and then 3-2 spring offset DCV. Okay, so for the operations, okay, the figures of the circuit show that the circuit employs a limit valve to provide a time cylinder extend and retract cycle. Okay, when push button, valve V3 is momentarily actuated, the valve V2 shifts to extend the cylinder. Okay, so when we press this one, the push button, we press the push button. So when we press the push button, the DCV akan shift to this position. Okay, and then dia akan actuated ataupun activate the V2. So from the source, dia akan the compressed air flow. Okay, from this one dia akan masuk to this port. So dia akan activate the 5-2 DCV. So bila dia activate the 5-2, and then it will shift to this position. Okay, and then the compressed air will flow through the throttle valve dan masuk ikut sini. So dia akan menyebabkan this cylinder extend. Okay, when the piston rod can actuate the limit valve 4, okay, this one, it shifts V2 into its opposite mode to retract the cylinder. So bila the cylinder is fully extend, dia akan touch the limit switch. Okay, so dia touch the limit switch. Okay, and then this 3-2 DCV akan shift to this position. So the compressed air akan flow through this one. Okay, so dia akan activate the 5-2 DCV to the opposite position. So dia akan menyebabkan the cylinder untuk retract. Okay, flow control valve V1 control the flow rates and the speed of the cylinder. This one lah, V1 yang akan control the speed of the cylinder. So the compressed air yang dalam bahagian ni akan keluar ke atmosphere. Okay, next proceed with the 2-step speed control. So for this one, operations untuk bahagian ni, okay, sama juga dengan yang previous circuit. Yang membezakannya adalah this one untuk extending speed, kita akan ada dua speed. First adalah the fast speed, and then the second adalah the slow speed. Okay, the operation is as follows. Assuming that the flow control valve V3 is adjusted to allow the greater flow rate than the valve V4. So kita set the bukaan untuk valve V3 lagi besar daripada valve V4 supaya dia punya speed dia lagi laju. Okay, initially the cylinder is fully resetted. So sekarang the condition of the circuit, the cylinder is fully retract. When the push button valve V1 is actuated, okay, the airflow goes through the valve V2, V3 and the shuttle valve V5 to extend the cylinder at the high speed. So bila kita activate the push button, kita press dia. So this DCV, 5 to DCV akan shift to this position. So the compressed air akan flow. Okay, masuk ke sini. Okay. And then this one pun pada masa yang sama, this one dia akan activate the this one. So dia akan shift to this position. So this one akan masuk ke sini. So dia akan masuk lalu ke V2 and then lalu ke the shutter valve. So the cylinder will extend. Okay. When the piston working actuate the valve V6, valve V2 shift. And then bila dia dah separuh extend, dia akan touch this limit switch V6. And then bila dia dah extend kan, dah half extend, dia akan touch this limit switch. So this V2 valve will shift to this position. Okay. So dia akan masuk to the V6. So dia akan tolak balik the 5 to DCV to this position. Okay. Okay, the flow is therefore diverted to the valve V4 and through the shutter valve. So this one dia dah divert ke, bila dia dah shift to this position, sekarang the flow akan masuk ke V4. Okay, to the shutter valve. Then dia akan extend. However, due to the low flow setting at the valve 4, the extension speed at the cylinder is reduced. So dia punya speed sekarang dah reduce. After the cylinder has fully extend, valve V1 is released by the operator to cause the retraction of the cylinder. So bila kita release the V1, dia akan shift to this position. Okay. So dia akan masuk and retract the cylinder. Okay.